Imagine Sumatra in 2025, where the familiar monsoon rains have taken a dangerous turn. What was once a life-giving force is now disrupting agriculture and displacing communities with alarming frequency. This isn't just a bad weather streak, it's a clear signal of climate change amplifying the impact of every monsoon season, turning ordinary rainfall into something far more menacing. So, what's really going on? Let's dive into the science behind Sumatra's increasingly extreme weather.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
First up, the warming Indian Ocean. As ocean temperatures rise, more water evaporates into the atmosphere. It's like turning up the heat on a giant kettle. This brings us to the Clausius-Clapeyron relation, a fancy way of saying that a warmer atmosphere can hold a lot more moisture. For every degree Celsius of warming, the atmosphere can hold about 7% more water vapor. This excess moisture then becomes fuel for extreme precipitation events, especially when weather systems decide to take a long, unannounced coffee break over Sumatra. Next, meet the Indian Ocean Dipole, or IOD. Think of it as the Indian Ocean's mood ring, influencing rainfall patterns across the region. A negative ID phase can bring increased rainfall and flooding to Sumatra, while a positive phase typically means drier conditions. Understanding this pattern is crucial for predicting what kind of monsoon season Sumatra might face. Then there are atmospheric rivers, which sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but they're very real. These are concentrated corridors of moisture, like superhighways for water vapor, transporting massive amounts of water from the tropics. When these atmospheric rivers make landfall in Sumatra, they unleash huge amounts of precipitation, leading to severe flooding and landslides. It's like the sky decided to dump a whole lake on the island. Climate change also contributes to stalled weather systems. Imagine a rain cloud that just won't move, hovering over one spot for days, relentlessly pouring down. These prolonged periods of heavy rainfall saturate the ground, causing rivers to overflow and leading to devastating floods. The land simply can't absorb anymore. And let's not forget the Bukit Barisan Mountains, Sumatra's very own rain factory. This is due to something called orographic lifting. As moist air is forced to rise over these majestic mountains, it cools, condenses, and releases precipitation. It's like squeezing a giant sponge. Climate change intensifies this effect, leading to even more extreme rainfall on the windward slopes. The mountains are working overtime. Unfortunately, deforestation and changes in land use exacerbate these issues. When forests are converted into plantations, the land loses its natural ability to absorb water. This leads to increased runoff and a higher risk of flash floods. Plus, deforestation contributes to rising land surface temperatures, making everything even hotter. Sumatra has already seen a significant temperature increase, a trend that's set to continue. Rising temperatures bring heat stress, impact agriculture, and increase the risk of forest fires. These extreme weather events have devastating human and environmental consequences, displacing hundreds of thousands and causing numerous fatalities. Sumatra's biodiversity-rich forests, home to elephants, tigers, and orangutans, are also under threat. Changes in rainfall and temperature disrupt entire ecosystems. Now for some fun facts to lighten the mood. Did you know a single atmospheric river can transport more water than the Amazon River's flow? That's a lot of H2O. And Sumatra's rainforest destruction contributes a significant percentage to global greenhouse gas emissions, exceeding all the cars in the US. Talk about a carbon footprint. The Bukit Barisan Mountains truly are a natural rain factory, amplifying rainfall on their windward slopes. They're basically nature's super soaker. And here's a mind blower. Indonesia consists of more than 17,000 islands. That's a lot of coastline to protect. Finally, mangrove forests in Sumatra are like natural bodyguards, helping protect the coastlines from rising sea levels. They're the unsung heroes of coastal defense. The link between climate change and extreme weather in Sumatra is undeniable. While the challenges are significant, understanding these mechanisms is the first step. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore potential solutions in more detail because there's always hope for a brighter, drier future.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.